Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to everyone. Today we're going to present our slide for assignment 1, which is to implement IR 4.0 in automotive and Arduino. So for the title for our assignment is the automatic windscreen wiper system, and we are from Bmma AS1/1, and we are being guided with TS Khairul Azri bin Azlan. So for the next slide, I'm gonna introduce you all to our team members, which is first Muhammad Irfan Danial bin HEIDIZANI, he is our leader for our assignment and the circuit builder and also the report writer, one of the report writer for our reports of the assignment. And second, me myself, ARMAN KUSHAIRY bin ASWANDI, and I'm the researcher for the introduced past research on the history of wiper system, and also I'm also the circuit builder and also the report writer. Next, I will introduce you to Muhammad RUZAINUDDIN bin Muhammad ISMAIL, which is the researcher also, the programmer and the report writer. Next, I'm going to introduce you to NOOR NAJIHA binti JUSRI FAUZI MENIN, which is our researcher, our circuit builder and also our report writer. For the final members of our team is the SITI binti ZULKARNAEN. She is also our researcher, the programmer for the coding and also the report writer. So next, I will explain about the introduction for this assignment. So, automatic windscreen wiper system. The automatic windshield wiper system utilize sensors and control mechanism to detect and respond to rain or other form of precipitations on the windshield. It eliminates the need for manual windshield wiper operation and automatically adjust their speeds and frequency based on the intensity of the rain. So high intensity rain will equal to higher speed of the windscreen wipers. This system guarantee that the driver visibility, thereby enhancing safety and convenience. The automatic wiper system improves visibility and enables driver to concentrate more on the road. So the driver don't need to open their wiper when the rain comes, because the sensor will operate the windshield wiper automatically. So there are a few types of automatic windscreen wiper system. There are light sensor based system and infrared sensor based system.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NAJIHA binti JUSRI FAUZI MENIN with my check number B0920100096. So the first one I will explain about the problem statement. There is 3 problem statements that we have found in this assignment, which is the first one is the existing manual wiper system required the driver to manually adjust the speed and the frequencies of the wiper, which could possibly result in inadequate or excessive wiping. And the second one is the manual wiper system also could distract the driver's attention and concentration while adjusting the speed and the frequencies of the wiper depending on the intensity of the rain. And the last one is the accuracy of the system in detecting of the intensity of the rain also needs to be improved, since it is very important for the system to correctly detect the intensity or the amount of rain for it to respond appropriately. So I will explain the next one. I will explain about the research literature of the assignment, which is we have 2 systems of the wiper system, which is the manual one and the automatic one. So the manual wiper system, we have 6 component, which is the wiper blades, wiper arm, wiper link, wiper motor, manual controller, and the last one is windshield washer fluid and reservoir tank and hoses. And for the automatic wiper system, it only required the light sensor based system and infrared sensor based system.
Next is the methodology. Methodology is the method that we use for this project. In this methodology, that consists of the process flowchart that will illustrate how the process in this project done to achieve the result for this project. So from the process flowchart, we can see that this project start with the background research, and this background research are based on the history and also how the wiper system works. And after that, we develop the design the development of the products, and then we selecting the components for the Arduino, and we're doing this codings for the Arduino and also the simulations. After the simulation is complete, we're going to implement and connecting all the components that we choose to the Arduino. And after the connectings with the Arduino is done, we're gonna test its function and also the effectiveness of the components and also the circuits. And if there is need to be changed, or the function is the needed function is not well, we're going to change some of the components, and we're gonna redo the component selections again. And after the component selection is redo, we're going to change also the codings, and we're gonna redo the simulation, and the coding and implementation will be redo. And this will be redoing based on the result from the function and the effectiveness. And if they are complete, the circuit is functions and the effectiveness for the circuit is very effective, and then this is the result for the circuits. And then is the schematic diagram, and this schematic diagram will illustrate how the component will be connected for this project. And we can see here there is the Arduino that is connected to the switch, resistor and diode, and also the motor. And there is the one potentiometer that will act as the rain intensity sensor. Next is the list components that we use in this project, which is Arduino, oscilloscope, slide switch, green LED, red LEDs, the potentiometer that will act as the rain intensity sensor, resistor, and also the DC motor, as the DC motor will turn the wiper. So due to the limitation of the Tinkercad software, we use the 250 kilo ohm potentiometer. The potentiometer will act as the rain intensity sensor. So this is because of the Tinkercad software does not have any rain intensity sensor. That's all from me. Thank you. Next.
My name is Muhammad Irfan Danial bin HEIDIZANI, and today I'm going to present the results for this project. So this is the coding for the project. The top left you can see the start of the coding, and the bottom right you can see the end of the coding. So this is the circuit diagram for the coding. Since there is no rain intensity sensor in the Tinkercad, so we use potentiometer as a replacement for the rain intensity sensor. So if the potentiometer shows low value, it means that the rain intensity is low, and if the potentiometer value is medium, it shows that the rain intensity is on the medium level. And if the potentiometer shows that the its reading is high, it means that the rain intensity is very high. So for simulation results, for the first one, so this circuit works when the ignition switch is turned off. This is turned off, then the circuit doesn't work, since in the real car we cannot move the wiper without turning on the ignition switch. So after turning on the ignition switch and the potentiometer shows low value, that means low rain intensity. On the oscilloscope you can see the gap between the activation signal is quite wide. It shows that the wiper is moving slowly due to low rain intensity. And this is for the medium rain intensity. So you can see the activation signal between each activation is the gap is narrower because the rain is on the medium level, so the wiper will will also move accordingly to the rain intensity. So the wiper will move moderately due to the medium rain intensity. So for the high intensity, you can see on the oscilloscope there is almost no gap, since the wiper is moving very fast, and the activation gap is very narrow due to the high rain intensity. So for the simulation video, I will show you after this. Thank you.
The automatic windscreen wiper system using Arduino is a project aimed to enhancing the convenience and safety of vehicle by automating the operation of the windscreen wipers. To overcome this limitation, the automatic windscreen wiper system utilizes sensor and an Arduino microcontroller to detect the presence of rain or moisture on the windscreen and trigger the wiper mechanism accordingly. The system incorporates a range of components including rain sensor, motor driver and the Arduino board to achieve seamless and automated control of the wiper. However, there is an avoidable limitation where there is no rain intensity sensor on the Tinkercad software. A potentiometer is used as replacement for the rain intensity sensor. The automatic windscreen wiper system offers several advantages over manual system. In summary, the automatic windscreen wiper system using Arduino offers an efficient and convenient solution for maintaining clear visibility during rainfall. By automating the wiper operation based on rain intensity, this system enhances driver safety and improves overall driving experience.
So I will explain and conclude the overall assignment project, which is the project aims to develop an automatic windscreen wiper system using Arduino has successfully achieved its objective, resulting in efficient and convenient solution for enhancing the convenience and safety of vehicles. The integrations of rain sensors and Arduino microcontroller and motor drivers enable the system to detect rain and moisture on the windscreen and activate the wipers accordingly, improving visibility and reducing driver distraction. The system performance aligned with expectations, accurately sensing rain conditions and adjusting wiper speed and duration accordingly. Overall, the automatic windscreen wiper system demonstrates the potentials of automations in improving driving experience and highlights the benefits of integrating technology into existing systems. That's all. Thank you.